Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Box metadata for document organization, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Box account. Navigate to the specific folder where your documents are stored. Click on the More Options icon, represented by 3 dots. Select Manage Metadata from the drop-down menu. If you're setting up metadata for the first time, click on Add Metadata Template. Choose a template. You can also create a custom template by selecting Create New. Name your new template and define the fields required for your documents. Common fields include title, author, date, and keywords. Decide whether each field should be mandatory or optional. Once you have defined the fields, save your template. Now, return to the Manage Metadata section. Click on the newly created template to apply it to your documents. Select the documents you want to assign the metadata to. With your documents selected, click on Assign Metadata Template. Choose the appropriate template from the options available. You'll see a prompt to fill in the required metadata fields. Populate each field with relevant information about the document. After filling in the details, click Save. Box will now apply the metadata to your selected documents. To view the metadata, click on any document and select Metadata in the sidebar. You can edit the metadata at any time through this section. Consider setting alerts for changes to documents with important metadata. Regularly review metadata across your documents to maintain organization. This systematic approach will enhance file retrieval and management efficiency. Remember to train your team on how to use and maintain metadata effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.